Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain PNC EARNEDIT app review to see if it worth using. So to get started about PNC app review, in 2025 the PNC EARNEDIT app is a powered daily pay offer employees access to their earned wages before payday. It's designed for financial flexibility, letting you transfer part of your paycheck instantly for a fee or next day, often free. The app also shows you real-time earning balance, helping you track how much you've made so far and how much is available to withdraw. It's a convenient way to avoid overdraft, cover bills, or manage cash flow between paycheck. However, the app has its flaws. Many users report frequent glitches, login issues, and slow customer support. When things go wrong, there are also transfer fees for instant payout, which can add up over time. And here's another take: the PNC EARNEDIT is worth for occasional early access to wages, but not ideal if you rely on it often or expect flawless app performance. So use it as a backup, not for a financial lifeline. And that's it. Hope you find the app review a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more app review. And that's it.